Hey everyone, welcome to MH Alien Tutors. Today we're going to learn how to simplify radicals. Don't worry if this sounds tricky at first. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at simplifying square roots and other radicals. What is a square root? A square root is a number that, when multiplied by itself, gives you the original number. For example, the square root of 81 is 9 because 9 multiplied by 9 equals to 81. In this lesson, we'll learn to simplify square roots by finding the largest perfect square inside the number. A perfect square is a number that you get by multiplying a whole number by itself. For example, 4 is a perfect square because 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. 9 is by 2 equals 4. 9 is a perfect square because 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. 16 is the perfect square because 4 multiplied by 4 equals 16. On the other hand, 5 is not a perfect square because there's no whole number that, when multiplied by itself, equals 5. This means there's no number, like or not, 2 or 3 that will give you 5 when multiplied by itself. 10 is not a perfect square. 17 is not a perfect square. Simplifying radicals means to solve these non-perfect squares, which we will see in next slide. 90% of you don't like and subscribe our channel. Please press that subscribe button and bell button. Example 1, simplifying square root of 50. Step number 1, find the largest perfect square that divides 50. The largest perfect square factor of 50 is 25. Step number 2, divide 50 by 25. 50 divided by 25 equals to 2. Step number 3. Now we have square root of 50 equals to square root 25 multiplied by square root 2. Step number 4. Simplify square root 25 equals to 5 down and leave square root 2 as it is. So we get the answer square. Root of 50 equals to 5 multiplied by square root 2. We don't write the multiplied by sign in the answer. Example 2, simplifying square root of 75. Step number 1, find the largest perfect square that divides 75. The largest perfect square factor of 75 is 25. Step number 2, divide 75 by 25. 75 divided by 25 equals to 3. Step number 3, now we have square root of 75 equals to square root 25 multiplied by square root 3. Step number 4, simplify square. Root 25 equals to 5 down and leave square root 3 as it is. So we get the answer square root of 75 equals to 5 multiplied by square root 3. We don't write the multiplied by sign in the answer. That's it. To simplify square roots, find the largest perfect square factor. Divide the number by that perfect square. Simplify the square root of the perfect square and leave the other part as is.